Hello, and welcome to Skills Direction, your guide to focused learning. In today's episode, we'll explore why and how to create a daily routine which helps you achieve success. Without further ado, let's get started. Your daily routine is a great indicator of failure or success in life because it reveals your habits, priorities, and values. Habits are the foundation of your daily routine. They are the automatic behaviors that you perform without thinking. Good habits, such as waking up early, exercising regularly, and eating healthy foods, can lead to success in all areas of your life. Bad habits, such as procrastinating, oversleeping, and eating junk food, can lead to failure. Priorities are the things that are most important to you. They are the things that you choose to focus your time and energy on. When your daily routine aligns with your priorities, you are more likely to achieve your goals and succeed in life. However, if your daily routine is not aligned with your priorities, you are more likely to be frustrated and unfulfilled. Values are the principles that guide your behavior. They are the things that are important to you on a deep level. When your daily routine reflects your values, you are more likely to live a meaningful and fulfilling life. However, if your daily routine does not reflect your values, you are more likely to feel empty and unfulfilled. Here are several instances demonstrating how your daily routine can signify triumph or failure in life. If you commence your day with a plunge into social media or your inbox, you're more prone to getting derailed and achieving less throughout the day. Those who dedicate extensive hours to TV or video games are more inclined to disregard duties and aspirations. Opting for unhealthy meals and shunning regular exercise can pave the way for health complications and a dearth of vitality. Procrastination and delaying pivotal tasks heighten the likelihood of missing deadlines and lagging behind in your objectives. Lacking a definitive plan for the day heightens the risk of squandering time and working inefficiently. Contrarily, a well-organized and purpose-driven daily regimen boosts the odds of attaining success in life. Beginning your day with a nourishing breakfast and physical activity cultivates sustained energy and attentiveness. Mapping out your day in advance and establishing clear priorities amplifies the likelihood of fulfilling your objectives. Concentrating on one task at a time and sidestepping diversions leads to enhanced efficiency and productivity. Taking intermittent breaks to unwind and rejuvenate during the day fosters motivation and sustained engagement. And, concluding your day by assessing your progress and preparing for the following day bolsters your capacity to stay on course and realize your ambitions. Overall, your daily routine is a great indicator of failure or success in life because it reveals your habits, priorities, and values. When your daily routine is aligned with your habits, priorities, and values, you are more likely to achieve your goals and succeed in life. However, if your daily routine is not aligned with your habits, priorities, and values, you are more likely to be frustrated, unfulfilled, and unsuccessful. It can take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks to establish a sustainable daily routine. This is because it takes time to form new habits and break old ones. The amount of time it takes will vary depending on a number of factors, including how complex your routine is. A simple routine with just a few key habits will be easier to establish than a complex routine with many different habits. How realistic your routine is. If your routine is too ambitious or unrealistic, you are more likely to give up. And how committed you are to making a change. If you are highly motivated to establish a new routine, you are more likely to stick with it. Here are some tips for establishing a sustainable daily routine. Start small. Don't try to change too much too soon. Pick 1 or 2 habits that you want to focus on and start there. Make it realistic. Set realistic goals for yourself. Don't expect to be perfect overnight. Be consistent. The key to forming new habits is consistency. Even if you can only stick to your routine for 10 minutes a day, that's better than nothing. Be patient. It takes time to form new habits and break old ones. Don't get discouraged if you slip up occasionally. Just pick yourself up and start again. Once you've integrated a few pivotal routines, gradually incorporating more into your schedule is key. Remaining adaptable and open to change is equally essential. If something isn't working, don't hesitate to make adjustments. Here's a representation of the daily schedule of a successful achiever. 6 a.m. Wake up and get ready for the day. This includes showering, getting dressed, and eating a healthy breakfast. 7:45 a.m. Plan your day and start working on your most important task. 10 a.m. Take a break to stretch, get some fresh air, or chat with colleagues. 10:15 a.m. Continue working on your most important task. 12 p.m. Have a healthy lunch. 1 p.m. Optional, take a power nap to recharge. 1:30 p.m. Work on less important tasks, such as answering emails, checking social media, and scheduling appointments. 3 p.m. Take another break to stretch, get some fresh air, or chat with colleagues. 3:15 p.m. Finish up any less important tasks. 4 p.m. Review your progress for the day and make a plan for tomorrow. 5 p.m. Finish work. 5:30 p.m. Spend time with loved ones, pursue personal interests, or relax. 9 p.m. Start winding down for bed. This includes taking a warm bath, reading a book, and avoiding screens. 10 p.m. Go to sleep. Naturally, this serves as an illustration. Tailoring your daily routine to meet your specific requirements and ambitions is paramount. Nonetheless, the fundamental principles remain consistent: early starts, emphasis on critical tasks, periodic breaks, and culminating the day on a positive note. Here are some additional tips for developing a successful go-getter routine. Set clear and specific goals. What do you want to achieve in the short term and long term? Once you know what you want to achieve, you can start to create a plan for how to get there. Break down your goals into smaller steps. This will make them seem less daunting and more achievable. Prioritize your tasks. Decide which tasks are most important and focus on those first. Schedule your tasks in advance. This will help you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Eliminate distractions. This means turning off your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and finding a quiet place to work. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks throughout the day to avoid burnout. Get up and move around, or step outside for some fresh air. Reward yourself. When you achieve a goal, reward yourself with something you enjoy. This will help you stay motivated. Developing a successful go-getter routine takes time and effort, but it's worth it. A good routine will help you achieve your goals, live a more productive life, and experience greater success. The most important thing is to find a routine that works for you and that you can stick with. If you are consistent and patient, you will eventually establish a sustainable daily routine that will help you achieve your goals and live a more successful life. That wraps up this episode. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe for more. Also, for information about our newsletter, please visit us at skillsdirection.com or subscribe to our channel on Substack. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and guidance on your journey towards success. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.